Making a payment. Once logged into your SCW online account, you should see the notifications page. Hover the cursor over My Registration. A menu will appear. Select Fees and Payments. Here, you will find a record of fees previously paid, fees that are due, as well as a Pay Now option. If you have a direct debit setup, then you do not need to make a payment. Click Pay Now. We recommend you set up a direct debit to pay your fee, as not only is it the most secure way to pay, but it's the fastest, and it will save you having to give us payment details in the future to pay your annual and renewal fees. To do this, you should complete the direct debit instruction form. Once your account has been found, you will need to select Confirm. The fee will show as outstanding until we have claimed it from the bank. You should check that your bank details here are correct and select Finish. A receipt will be sent to you by email. If you do not have your bank account details to hand or do not wish to set up a direct debit, scroll further down the page to find the Pay with Card options. You should complete all mandatory fields. Select Review Details once completed. If you select Fees and Payment here, you will see that the balance is now zero and the outstanding fee has moved to fees that have been paid. You will receive receipt of payment via your preferred email address.